What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, and what's good? Welcome to my reactions. This is Maintenance, and I welcome you to Rampage Studio. Hope you are enjoying my reactions. If you haven't watched my video, if it's your first time, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, okay? I saw this video while I was browsing on YouTube. It just got out right now. They're saying it's breaking news that the sky is raining a hailstorm. Sky are taking now. Hellish hailstorm hits Gaziantep. What is that? Gaziantep. Okay, let's go ahead and watch this video, see what's going on. I'm not sure what's going on. I don't know what's going on. But according to the title, they're saying that the hailstorm is hitting Turkey right now. Let's check this out. These are big rocks, bro. These rocks are big. Look at that. No wonder they said the skies are taking Turkey. Look at those big hailstorms, bro. Those hails are big. I don't know what's going on with the weather, but I don't know, maybe it's a climate change, because even Malawi is going through a bad weather, you know. Malawi is going through bad weather. There's a lot of destruction there as well. I saw some videos on YouTube as well, and some of them are going through Facebook, and I saw them as well. So it's bad, bro. This is real bad weather. If you park your car outside like that, you can find the windows broken, bro. Another thing I noticed is it's more like the seasons have shifted somehow. I don't know how, but somehow the places where it was too much hot, it's now raining, and where it used to rain is now hot. Explain that to me. There's a lot of snow.
Sabaha kadar sürecek herhalde ya, bu ne?
If it reaches a point where someone has to take out their phone and video record the weather, they're seeing that something is off. Something is completely off. So that's what prompted them to take out their phone and record. Heavy rain. The way they're capturing this weather, it's more like they have never seen such a type, such type of weather. Maybe that's why they're recording the weather, you know. Because if you're used to that, you can't take out a phone and record the weather if you're used to it. Okay. So the fact that they're taking out their phone and recording the weather, it means they're not used to it. It's something new. Like they don't believe what they're seeing. This one is long. A lot of snow outside.
İnşallah
think-
ablam, inşallah bugünlerde geçecek mutlaka ki ablam.
I think that's it. I think that's it about the video. I think that's everything there. I think that's everything. The fact is, Malawi, they're going through a lot of destruction, bro. Like a lot of people. I heard that about 400 people have been reported dead as of so far. But I really appreciate people who are assisting on those type of disasters, bro. People who are giving their lives to assist on those types of disasters. Shout out to them, bro. Shout out to them. Shout out to them. Shout out to them. But here on this video, I see it's just raining and some hail going on. It's not much disaster taking place. There's no disaster as well. It's just hail falling down, eating cars. Yeah. But otherwise, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoyed watching it with me, guys. The most important thing, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Comment, share, like the video, click the bell icon so that you can be notified when I drop a new video, of course. Thanks for watching. Maintenance is out. Cheers.